But if you feel like you got a couple of Python skills and you want to learn how you would use data objects for data science, go and write a multi-threaded program in data science, because that's going to teach you how to ship data back and forth within a single object in Python, and that's super valuable, right? So Manjit, that's where I would push. That's where I would point you. You know, if you want to say, I want to learn how to work with data structures in code, try some multi-threaded applications, or at least get used to shipping data. Like, or you know what? It doesn't even have to be multi-threaded. You can also just take two objects and ship some data between the two custom objects that you wrote in Python, right? That would probably teach you more about the data structures that you're gonna like actually use in the development and deployment of data science projects. So I hope that helps, Manjit. Great questions. You know, we had a couple of follow-ups there, but great questions.